Hello guys and welcome back to another video of how to get paid apps for free. Today we are going to download and install Filmora X 10.7 for free. I made two previous videos about 10.2 and 10.5 of Filmora X and those are kind of outdated right now. So here's the newer version of it. This version includes the AI portrait and the silent detection mode with a lot of more effects. So before we begin, happy new year for everyone who is watching this video right now. And here's the reason why I couldn't upload videos for the past 2 months. So as usual, let's talk something about Filmora X. Filmora X is a very powerful video editor for beginners and for professionals. It is easy to use and it has a lot of effects and features on it built in. So from using this crack, you will be able to do all of those things using Filmora X and export without the watermark. So enough talking, let's start the video. Go ahead to the description of the video. There you will find the download link. It is the first link in the description. If you'll open up a mega.nz site, just go ahead and click download button right here after you go to this site. I have already downloaded the file, so I'm not going to download it again. It is like 400 megabytes. I'm just going to close this tab and go to my downloads folder because I have already downloaded it. Here, go ahead and right click it. You will need Sunzip or WinRAR. If you don't have them, just go ahead and download it by searching those in Google or your browser you are using. I will go ahead and extract it right away, and the password is 123 as you can see on the screen. Just go ahead and double click this Methu folder. Again double click it. There you will find three files. One is the fix folder, the setup file, and the readme file. If you want, you can read this to get some instructions about it. I'm just gonna go ahead and close this one and just run the setup file right here first. You will need administrator permissions to run this file. Then select a language you want and then click OK. After that, click next, and I have written accept the agreement. Tick that box. After you've done that, click next right here. Here you can change the installation directory. I'm gonna keep it as it is for now and click next right here. And a small note, this video is also been edited by this cracked Wondershop Filmora X 10.7. So I showed some proof of this video in the start, and let's keep on going. And after this is installed, let's crack it. As you can see right now, it is 100% installed. You can join the user experience improvement program if you want, but don't click this launch button right here. Before we click that, go ahead and minimize this tab right here and go to the folder we were before and go to the fix folder. Then you will see 4 files. Just go ahead and copy all of these files and go to your desktop and right click on this Photoshop Filmora X icon and then open file location. After that, paste all of the files that you copied earlier into this folder. Replace the files in the destination. After that, you can close both of these tabs and go ahead to the setup application and then click launch right here. If you see something like OneShot Filmora X update on the administrator panel, just click no, because if you update this program, the crack won't work for it and you will have to pay money for it. So as you can see, this is the version 10.7.8.12. This is the latest version cracked for now, and if you go to the effects tab, you will see this AI portrait, and there are ton of effects you can check out right here, 500 of them, elements 115, and you have a lot of stuff in here. The custom effects won't work for this crack. You will have to wait for a new crack for that. Now let's go ahead and take a sample video and export it to check if the watermark is not there or not. I click export right here, and then you can choose some effects right here, and then just go ahead and click export. After it is exported, you can see this video right here. Double click it. You want to see the watermark down here. That means you are good to go, and I think this worked for you. If this worked for you, click on the like button and subscribe to our channel and share this with your friends. And thank you guys for watching this video.